What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dash cams in 2022. There's a lot of choice for dash cams. The dash cams are a must-buy for every driver, no matter what you drive or how competent you are on the road. It won't save you from an accident, but having video evidence means there's no doubt about which person is at fault. Because those rogue drivers seem to be getting more and more common. But the number of dash cams out there is astronomical, making it hard to figure out what's worth having. There's a huge variance in price tags, designs, features, and that only adds to the confusion. To help you pick the right cameras, we put several dash cams to the test, to help you figure out whether they're worth buying or not. Here are the best dash cams we've used that are available right now. Mom's Fantasy is the best choice for moms and babies. Number 1. Nexar 622 gigawatts, rather than being a replacement for the more affordable 522 gigawatts, see below, the 622 gigawatts is simply a new flagship dash cam. And, it has proven itself as the best dash cam to buy right now. In our tests, it delivered much improved video quality and better stabilization, along with the inclusion of WaitWords geolocation services for pinpointing stricken vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When we chose to shoot in 4K/30p, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dashcam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522 gigawatt sibling, this model can be controlled via your voice with Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which we didn't rate as the best we've tried. Despite new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found that it still had trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear and very easy to use, while the inclusion of WaitWords combines well with Nexar's emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's free subscription for with this dash cam. Specification and features. Brand, Nexar. Model name, 622 gigawatts. Video capture resolution, 1080p, 4K. Color, black, gray. Control method, voice. Product dimensions, 2.09 x 3.66 inches wide by 1.77 inches high. Item weight, 0.08 kilograms. Screen size, 3. Auto part position, front. Reasons to buy. Alexa and WaitWords built in. Superb video quality. Reasons to avoid. Requires large capacity SD card. Poor smartphone app. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 57. If you're looking for solid features at a less stomach-churning price, there's Garmin's Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 packs in all the usual dash cam features, as well as a few more that enhance your recording capabilities and smarten up your car in the process. If you don't have a newer car with driver assistance features, this is where the Garmin 57 shines. It packs in a number of safety features including forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and alerts when you're coming up to stop lights and speed cameras. It'll also tell you when you're too absent-minded to notice traffic has started moving. The Garmin 57 also packs in a parking guard, a live view, and an automatic cloud backup that securely stores your recording in the cloud for safekeeping. Tie that in with voice controls, built-in GPS and 1440p video resolution, and you should be able to record all the important details should the worst ever happen. Specification and features. Brand, Garmin. Model name, 0100250510. Video capture resolution, 1440p. Color, black. Control method, voice. Product dimensions, 1.59 x 2.21 inches wide by 0.84 inches high. Screen size, 2 inches. Auto part position, top. Are batteries included? No. Reasons to buy. Compact size. Voice control. Good safety features. Easy to use magnetic mount. Reasons to avoid. No glare filter. Slightly fuzzy images at dusk. No touchscreen. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin Dash Cam family. We found the setup process took just a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app, iOS and Android. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and socket joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dash cam securely in place. We found video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in Full HD, 30 fps with HDR and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, whatever the ambient light and weather conditions. At 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest on the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. There's a button for quickly saving a portion of video, or you can rely on the G sensor to automatically detect a collision, and voice controls for functions like taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off work surprisingly well. Due to the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2's compact size, it does not have a display. Instead, you need to use the smartphone app to check the camera's view and access recordings. It also misses out on GPS, which is a shame, but this is arguably the only major feature missing here. Unless you need the best dash cam with driver assistance functions like speed camera alerts, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will leave you wanting for very little. Simple, subtle and reliable, it's the definition of set and forget technology. Specification and features. Brand, Garmin. Model name, 0100250400. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Mounting type, adhesive mount. Color, black. Control method, app. Product dimensions, 1 x 1 inch wide by 2 inches high. Item weight, 1 ounces. Screen size, 2 inches. Reasons to buy. Easy to set up and use. Full HD video with HDR. Reasons to avoid. Lacks a display. No battery. No GPS. Number 4. Vantrue N2 Pro. If you'd rather save the hassle of having 2 dash cam modules to cover your front and rear, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be a sold option for you. Not only does it feature an additional lens to cover your rear, it lets you adjust the angle of that lens to better suit the interior of your car. The overall footage isn't the best quality, with some graininess and lens flare. You'll still end up with crisp, clear videos to keep tabs on what's happening on the roads around you. Of course, it's missing a lot of important things, like wireless connectivity of any kind, which will make accessing your videos a little bit more difficult. But with all the basics on board, and a secondary camera included in the price, then this is a dash cam well worth considering. Specification and features. Brand, Vantrue. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Mounting type, suction mount. Color, black. Product dimensions, 3.8 x 5.28 inches wide by 4.45 inches high. Item weight, 3.5 ounces. Screen size, 1.5 inches. Auto part position, front. Are batteries included? Yes. Item dimensions LXWXH, 5.28 by 3.8 by 4.45 inches. Reasons to buy. Dual 1080p camera. Adjustable rear camera angle. IR sensors for improved night vision. Reasons to avoid. No GPS, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. No companion app. Cheap build quality. Number 5. Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexar bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dash cam doesn't record in 4K, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dash cams out there with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Specification and features. Brand, Nexar. Video capture resolution, 1080p. Mounting type, suction mount. Color, black. Product dimensions, 3.72 x 6.23 inches wide by 3.53 inches high. Auto part position, rear. Are batteries included? No. Item dimensions LXWXH, 6.23 by 3.72 by 3.53 inches. Real angle of view, 135 degrees. Reasons to buy. Neat design for both cams. Easy to install and wire in. Reasons to avoid. Interior camera sticks to screen. Cloud backup requires phone. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.